Left foot, right foot, left foot, right. Feet in the morning, feet at night. Left foot, left foot, left foot, right. Wet foot, dry foot, high foot, low foot. Front feet, back feet, red feet, black feet. Left foot, right foot, feet, feet, feet. How many feet you meet? Slow feet. Quick feet. Trick feet. Sick feet. Up feet, down feet. Here come clown feet. Honk, honk. Small feet, big feet. Here come big feet. Wink. His feet, her feet, fuzzy fur feet. In the house and on the street, how many feet you meet? Up in the air feet, over a chair feet. More and more feet. 24 feet. Here come more and more and more feet. Left foot, right foot, feet, feet, feet. Oh, how many feet you meet.